Yo, what's up fellas? How you doing? It's your boy Al, I'm back again. My next project that I'm gonna be working on in the basement is putting up these lights, as you can see somewhere around me, right? I purchased a whole bunch of these high output Lithonia high output T5 bulbs or fluorescent lights. They're off the hook. That's what I'm gonna be lighting the whole basement with. So what I'm gonna be doing the video on just putting the lights up. But before I can do that, which I'm gonna have to do that in a couple days because my kids thought it was a great idea to mark my concrete floor up. As you can clearly see there. These punks went to town. So as you can see from right here, this is what I'm working on. One light, and I'm tethering them each. And they're gonna go down the road to the corner. You can see them all, the lights are there. So, before I can do the video on putting up the lights and how I'm going to have my layout design going on the floor, I'm going to have to mop the floor. Ugh, punk ass kids. Okay guys, so as you can see, the lighting is not too great down here. I've installed 5 of these so far, but only 4 are lit up. Wow, see the light? Wow, right? Nice. So if you look up, you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one's up here. I am wiring them each, and then you see I mopped the floor. It's not perfectly clean, but cleaner than they had it. And that's it. Got some 1x4s or 1x3s. So let me do some more of these lights. Look at that weird light. Boom. Nice. Boom, here are the lights. Lovely. Put up 8 of them. And you can see it lights the basement beautifully. Look at that. So the layout is obviously gonna go right along the walls. I figure out how it goes in the inside in a little bit. I put 3 other lights up over there. They're not wired up yet. They'll go all the way over to there. Like I said, it looks like I will need probably 3 or 4 more. Yo, what's up? I'm back again. So right now, as you can see, I have a total of, I don't even know, let's count them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. I have 11 of the lights installed. I have 4 more available to go up. So I'm gonna put the last 4 up over here. You can see it's right in that area right there, check it out. Right there. So, quick and easy as I've been doing. You see up there, each one is tethered. This one goes into this one, comes out to here, ready to go into the next one, which will go right here. You see the light there? So I'll have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and then more. I still gotta put some over there because even though the basement's all tore up, all the stuff that's over there, like the couch and everything will go way over there. Eventually I'll move all that stuff. So I'm gonna put the last 4 lights up. I ordered some more from Home Depot and they should be in the next couple days. I'm gonna still need a ton more because I haven't finished the exact track plan, but there will be track in the middle of the basement. You know what I'm saying? There'll be a reverse, not a reverse loop, but a loop somewhere here in the basement, maybe 1 or 2. So I have to move all this stuff so I can use the chalk that the punk ass kids did all on the floor. That's why the floor looks all tore up because of the chalk that they had there. So I can chalk out the area and how it's gonna be, the lighting and everything. So I got 4 more to put up, as you can see above. 1 more will go right here for now, which is right there. And then 3 on the other side, and then when the new ones come in, they'll eventually go up. But so far, looking good. Look how bright it is down there. Nice and bright. Lighting will not be a problem on my layout. Sup, yo, I'm done. I've installed all 15 lights down here. So as you can see, it is nice and bright. This is the brightest the basement has been as I spin around. You can see the corner over there has been lit up. I will add more lighting as I finalize the track plan. I've taken all the lights, installed them all, so we're all in conjunction with each other. So one light controls them all. However, I have a couple of switches on some of them. So if I wanted to have all these off, you know, or if I wanted just a section down here off, you know. So that one's obviously not done right, but this one. So I have the switch here, so if I wanted the lights in this corner off, there you go. But I leave the rest of them on. So there's switches on many of them so that I could control the lighting wherever I want it to be. You know, if I'm having a problem with the light over here, or in a section the problem goes bad, or the light goes bad or something like that, I have to replace the light, turn the section off, replace the light. That's it.
No, not me. You.
Turn it off now.
It's dead.
No, it's not.
That is.
It has a red dot. Turn it off.
Daddy.
So now it's gonna be down to finalizing my track plan. I have all this room and I haven't determined yet of how it will be 100%. I have a really good idea. I'll show you that in the next video. You can see I bought a lot of wood, 1x3s to start the building. And that's it. For now, I'm gonna edit this video, be out of here. And for now, your boy Al's gonna be out. So I'll see you guys on a rebound. Peace out.
Peace out.